Alright, recording the sewer line here today at 2016 5th Avenue North. Making this recording prior to doing any lining or any further cleaning. We're trying to clean the shared lateral line, sewer line that serves 2016 5th Avenue North, where I'm making this recording from, and 509 Crockett. This is where the two come together. So at this spot you can see the pipe has deteriorated significantly. There is no longer a bottom to the pipe. And it has shifted significantly as well to where, I don't know, 2/3 of the pipe has been kind of shifted off to the side. You can see where the clay full diameter was and where that next concrete bell is. It's not a very pretty connection point. So what we're going to try to do is line past this and then reinstate it. Reinstate it with a chain machine to cut open a hole in the liner and resume access for this line to join this shared section of line. So I just wanted to get a before video to kind of show what we're getting into here. It's not going to be pretty because that line is shifted quite a bit. So we're going to come back from this point and take a look at the rest of the 2016 5th North line coming back from here. It's all clay, 4-inch diameter. You see what a good connection looks like? That's two seams that are pretty well tight together. Once it's transitioning to concrete down at the shared line, the transition point is shifted significantly. So coming back still through this clay line, dropping pretty steeply before you get back to the cast that exits the house. So coming back through the cast now that runs under the foundation or the basement of the home. And here is where we make this recording from, the clean out here in the basement of 2016 5th North. Here's a little view of the garage. You can see that I am indeed in the 2016 basement. Ending the video there.